Hello everyone. Today we are going to be discussing about the Grand Staircase, or commonly known as the Escalante National Monument. The image below shows a beautiful view of the Escalante National Monument at a sunset. Many may ask, what is the Grand Staircase? Well, the Grand Staircase is a national monument that was established in 1996 by President Bill Clinton. The Grand Staircase is located in Escalante, Utah, which is in the southern part of Utah. The Grand Staircase is 1.9 million acres of land, making it almost bigger than the state of Delaware. Since it is a big plot of land, scientists have divided it into 3 different regions to make it easier to identify. The first being the Grand Staircase, the second being the Kaparowitz Plateau, and the third being the Escalante Canyons. On the right side, we have a picture of one of the formations inside the Grand Staircase on a billboard that says, "Welcome to Utah, Life Elevated." The following image is an aerial view of the Kaparowitz Plateau, and the bottom image is an inside view of the Escalante Canyons. Some geologic history. The formation of the Kaparowitz Plateau happened roughly around 60 to 80 million years ago. Due to erosion and weathering throughout the Earth's history, cross-sections of formations started to surface throughout the canyon. Scientists believe that the formations were deposited 180 to 225 million years ago. And dinosaur bones, seashells, wood, marine organisms, and other fossils have been discovered inside the National Monument. The image above is a picture of a dinosaur that was discovered inside the canyon in 2010. The dinosaur is on display at the Grand Staircase Escalante National Museum of History. Due to marine transgression, scientists speculate at one point in time there was a large body of water ranging from a sea to a lake that eventually transgressed and made room for a desert at one point. All of this happened between the Permian and the Tertiary time periods, which were from 275 to 50 million years ago. Inside the Grand Staircase and Escalante National Monument, there is an abundant amount of minerals and resources deposited throughout the canyon. Some of those minerals and resources include metals, oil, gas, uranium minerals, and much more. what a sight to behold. The following video was from a group of guys that traveled to Utah to see the Escalante monument and recorded their experiences on a drone. The clip included some of the informations and attractions that were created over 50 million years ago. It's no surprise that the monument is a popular tourist spot for people around the world to see the wonders that have been created throughout Earth's long history. Some interesting facts about the Grand Staircase Escalante National Monument. On the top left, we have a picture of geologist Clarence Dutton, who was the one who divided the Grand Staircase into 5 steps in the 1870s. He divided the steps based on their color and the age of the rocks, starting off with the youngest, which is the pink cliffs, then heading to the gray cliffs, then the white cliffs, then the vermilion cliffs, and then finally to end off at the oldest, the chocolate cliffs. Thousands of Anasazi sites were discovered throughout the canyon. The Anasazis were cave dwellers who lived on side of cliffs, and since they had to adjust to this difficult terrain, they had to learn how to adapt in order to survive. The top right image shows one of the caves that one of the Anasazi civilizations made. It is really destroyed at that point in time since it was a long time ago. Anasazi were known as prehistoric people that populated the northern part of the Southwest in ancient history. Some of the activities that you can do while visiting include hiking, horseback riding, off-roading in all-terrain vehicles, sightseeing, fishing, and camping. Some popular attractions that the monument has to offer. The top left image is a picture of Coyote Gulch. The image below Coyote Gulch is a picture of the Lower Calf Creek. The picture next to the Lower Calf Creek is the Matate Arch, Devil's Garden. The image on the right is Zebra Canyon. Many tourists and photographers go to see the Zebra Canyon, to see the tight, narrow areas that prove difficult to go through, and also for the images such as the one provided on the screen. Lake Powell is above Zebra Canyon, which provides a beautiful view of all terrain and a river. The image on the right of Lake Powell shows Willow Gulch, or commonly known as Broken Bow Arch. Thank you for taking the time to learning about the monument with me, and I hope you guys came out with some information that you did not know.